This build is going to be kind of a maybe a tribute or something to the weather gods to get some cooler weather. I'm going to make this 1980 AMC Eagle into an ice rig using these tracks. These ones are from Angel of Combustion. Got some big ones and little ones. Got some different rams going on to kind of like the snow plow and stuff. Trying to get it to more of like an ice blue color. So I'm thinking about mixing like this turquoise and bright jade from Monument Hobbies Pro Krill. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do this time. Got some different ideas for the armor and stuff. Watching some other crafting videos and getting some cool thoughts and stuff going on. So yeah, first things first, we got to get this baby apart and get her into the stripper.